Someone beat us to the punch.
Looks like that one there is still alive.
Huh. Your scent is rather peculiar. It's neither a human's nor a devil's. So then, this your handiwork?
Please, will you hold me?
He's a human.
Is there any indication that he's been possessed?
None. It'd be written all over his face if he were. Just so we're clear, I'm a public safety devil hunter. I came to kill the zombie devil that was here. You have two options. Either you die by my hand as a depraved devil, or you let me keep you as a human being. For the record, my pets get delicious food.
Delicious food, huh? So what's on the breakfast menu?
Bread with butter and jam is always a given at my table. Coffee and salad's also good. And then, maybe, dessert? Yeah.
It's like one of my best dreams ever just came true.